this demo, we'll show you how to use IBM's Data Connect service in IBM Bluemix to filter and then move data from one data service to another. Specifically, we'll be moving data from DB, a data warehouse as a service offering available in IBM Bluemix, to Cloudant, which is a NoSQL database service also available in Bluemix. So let's get started by logging into Bluemix. Next, we'll create services. We'll need 3 services in this demo. We'll need the source of our data transfer, -db. We'll need the target of the transfer, Cloudant. And last but not least, we'll need the service that we'll use to perform the transfer, which again is Data Connect. So let's go ahead and create those 3 services now. Our services have now been successfully created. With our services running, the next step is to grab the credentials from our 2 data services, as we'll need to connect to both of them from Data Connect. So let's start with Cloudant. And look at the credentials. And what we'll do is we'll copy these off to a text file so we'll be able to use them when we have to connect to this Cloudant instance from Data Connect. And we'll do the same for -db. With our credentials in hand, we can go ahead and launch Data Connect. First, we'll need to create connections for both -db and Cloudant using the credentials we saved off previously. So we copied all the credentials for -db that we saved, and now let's go ahead and create the connection. And now we'll repeat the same thing for Cloudant. Okay, so now we have both connections defined, so we can go ahead and get started with the data transfer. So we'll select Refine and Copy as our task. And we'll select -db as the source. And we'll select the product table. we want to filter on a specific product type code. So we'll find that column and select it. And then under cleanse, we want to select filter rows, and we'll select row number. We'll select the row with product code 961. So now we'll select our target. And we'll give our activity a name. So now we've run our activity and we'll just wait for it to complete. And we refresh the page and wait a few seconds, and as you can see, our activity has completed. So next, we'll want to go into Cloudant to make sure that the data was actually transferred and filtered the way we specified. So we'll launch the Cloudant dashboard. And you can see there is a database called product CSV that looks promising. Let's look at all the documents in it. And as we scroll down, you can see we have a JSON document that matches the structure of the table in -db. And as you can see, product type code is set to 961 in all of them. So our filter also worked. And that's the end of the demo.